Magandang araw, Pilipinas! Ito ang Valiente News hatid sa inyo ng Office of the Vice President. Formal nang natapos kahapon ang inilunsad na pop-up exhibit sa Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur. Batay sa datos, nadala na ng OVP ang naturang exhibit sa 44 na magkakaibang lokasyon sa bansa. Narito si Brian Latasa para sa karagdagang detalye.
Whispering or engaging in any activities that could...
Dinala ng Office of the Vice President sa Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur ang Extra Plus Ordinary, the Vice Presidents of the Philippines pop-up exhibit. Naging matagumpay ang aktibidad na pinangasiwaan ng OVP Western Mindanao Satellite Office. Ang formal na pagbubukas ng exhibit ay dinaluhan mismo ni OVP Western Mindanao Satellite Office Lead Mike Saavedra at ilang kawani ng lokal na pamahalaan ng Pagadian City. Ang paglulunsad ng pop-up exhibit sa 70 lokasyon sa buong bansa ay bahagi ng mga hakbang ng tanggapan upang maipakita sa publiko ang mga kontribusyon at iniwang ligasiya ng mga nagsilbing pangalawang pangulo ng bansa.
Alam niyo ba na si Vice President Sergio Osmeña ang kauna-unang Vice President na naging Pangulo ng Pilipinas matapos mamatay si President Manuel L. Quezon noong kasagsagan ng World War II?
Sa pag-ikot ng mall-goer na si Joshua Sareno sa pop-up exhibit, mas naintindihan niya umano ang kalagahan ng tanggapan.
Nakita natin that there are a lot of opportunities na pwedeng maibigay ng Office of Vice President, especially if the one who is, kung sino yung nakaupo, will really have his or her agenda in terms of nation building. No, there are a lot of platforms. I really astonished by the different platforms that our different vice presidents have. We thought na they are just there para kung if ever kung mawala yung president, sila yung maipapalit. But upon reading the different pop-up informations, nakita ko kung ano talaga yung importance ng mga vice presidents to policy making, to championing agricultural reforms, to the urban development, to any kinds that would really help our nation build and to become progressive.
Ipinagpapasalamat naman ng lokal na pamahalaan ng Pagadian City na kabilang ang kanilang lungsod sa buong Pilipinas na pinagdausan ng pop-up exhibit.
So that at the outset, allow me to express my sincere thanks and deep appreciation to the Office of the Vice President, our incumbent Vice President, Her Excellency Sara Duterte, to her satellite lead, Mr. Mike Angelo Saavedra. Mike, thank you for the cordial invitation extended to us and for giving us the opportunity to become part of this meaningful and historic celebration.
Nagpaabot naman ng mensahe si Vice President Inday Sara Duterte na binasa ni OVP Western Mindanao Satellite Office Lead Mike Saavedra.
We open this pop-up exhibit, a tribute to the 14 Vice Presidents who have served our nation across 9 decades of constitutional history. Under our Constitution, the Vice President is the second highest official, empowered to lead initiatives that directly serve the people. They carried the weight of being second in command while making first-rate contributions to the nation. This legacy teaches us that true public service is measured by impact, not position. They served through wars, economic crisis, natural disasters, and political transitions, honoring their constitutional oath by showing up during the work and serving the Filipino people with everything they had.
Mula po rito sa Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur, ako po si Brian Latasa, ang lahat para sa Diyos, bayan at pamilyang Pilipino. Valiente News.
Isang nanay at senior citizen mula Cebu pinagkalooban ng bagong wheelchair ng tanggapan. Ang buong detalye, abangan sa susunod na episode. Ako si Claudette Loreto. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat.